Did you know that you can name cells in Excel to make your formula easier? Let's take a look at calculating VAT. I'll click in the cell that contains the rate, 20%, and then I'll go over to the left to the name box just above cell A1 and type VAT and press enter. Now, if I want to calculate the VAT, I'll just give that column a heading. And the formula is equal to our total price multiplied by VAT. We see it in the list, double click, press enter, and now we can copy the formula down and it calculates the VAT without us having to go and look for that cell, which in this instance I've had on the main screen, but that could have been in a different sheet and would make it so much more difficult to find. So naming your cells saves time, makes sense.